Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the two of the silicone pads that I picked up from Cyber Monday. And then the other item is the circuit board holder. And then that one allows you to rotate. So by the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and then show you guys the products. So this one is the CPB professional tools. This one is heated. This one is a heat insulation silicone repair mat. Can be resistant to high temperature of 932 degree Fahrenheit or 500 degree Celsius. With the classified design, clear and then more convenient. Silicone mat material is 100% food grade. It is made in China. Some Chinese writing here, so it's kind of hard to see, but yeah, so right here will be putting all your screws or anything, and right here you can put parts. There are some other one that you could put tools, but that one costs more. And then there's a ruler right here. It is in centimeter. So it says screw position right here. You can put out the parts over here or here, which is nice. Wow, how come this one looks so big? That was a small one. So this one is the Bellyman circuit board clamp. And it looks like this. You could adjust the width. Depends on your size of the board. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, the picture looks so small, and it is a big size. So right here at the base, and this is where you cut the board, right here, and on this side, you can unscrew this. And this is metal, this is plastic, and then you can adjust it. Unscrew this side too. So if you have a small project, and then this allows you to rotate 360 degrees in case you need to look at your diagram and then solder the wire and everything. So you could also loosen this up too, how tight you want. Oh, and this one is spring loaded, this side only. Oh, so the screw right here. So this is like a crossbar right here. We put it together like that. Or you can put it like this. That's pretty sturdy enough. So yeah, it's pretty nice tool to have. If you like to do like a small project or soldering, I'll go get a board and then show you guys. Alright, so I got like two of this board. I just kind of give like a demonstration. This one might be too small. Yeah. So in case your chip is so small, it's gonna block it. Or maybe you can rotate this way. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can adjust a different position, which is nice. And after that, you tied it up on both ends, on the base. And then this side. And if you need to flip it, it's pretty easy and to flip. And just use a soldering gun right here. If you need to make it tight so it doesn't turn anymore, hold it still, which is good. So once the gun touches the device, the parts, then you don't need to worry about it's gonna slip up or down. So that's one of the board right there. Check it out. And this board will charge your lithium-ion battery up to 3 cells. Okay. And good thing about this, you have 3 adjustable height. Alright. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.